Their mom and dad both died from COVID-19. Now these siblings are sharing their horrific loss.
Everything comes back, you feel like you're alone.
Yeah, the Sterling Heights family is heartbroken. A brother and two sisters taking care of each other.
They shared with our Sandra Ali how it all happened so fast. 1 minute their parents were fine. It seemed the next minute they were gone.
Nada and Namir escaped persecution in Iraq 8 years ago. They wanted a better life for their 3 children. 2 years ago, they moved into their new home in Sterling Heights. Buying a home in America was their dream come true.
When we first came here, like we were a family. We bought a house.
On March 16th, Namir started feeling sick. He tested positive for coronavirus. A few days later, Nada came down with a bad cough. Her COVID test also came back positive. They both ended up in the hospital, leaving their 3 young children home to take care of themselves. Their 20-year-old son, Nash, started having symptoms while his parents were in the hospital.
He said he was sick. He said that he had gotten sick and he had like the fever and sweats and changed his clothes 7 times a day and didn't have the energy to take a shower. His sister Nadine was sick, throwing up, nauseous, fever.
So did his 2 younger sisters. The whole family had COVID-19. While Nada and Namir were fighting for their lives in the hospital, their 3 young children were home alone, also infected, battling the disease on their own. The girls never saw their mom again. Nash saw his mom once, but she was already sedated and hooked up to a ventilator.
How did that happen so quickly? What do you mean? Shock. I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. In 4 days, they went from mom cooking and only dad laying in bed like a flu, to both of them on ventilators.
On April 21st, after spending weeks hooked up to breathing machines, 46-year-old Nada died of coronavirus. Namir died 3 weeks later. He was only 52. Nash says his parents, Iraqi refugees, had no underlying health conditions.
It's hard explaining because I don't even understand. I don't even know why it happened, how it happened, why their life was robbed from them.
And they never left the hospital?
Never left the hospital. We never got to say goodbye to them.
The Chaldean community of Iraqi Catholics rallying around the siblings, offering strength and comfort when they need it most.
So it happened so fast.
So fast, yeah.
Zena Atisha is a family friend who's been gathering support for Nash and his sisters. She's also Nash's boss at Sahara Restaurant, where Nash used to work.
And I was shocked. I was like, oh my God, what are we gonna do? How are these people gonna live?
Feels like a dream, honestly. It feels like, it's just like starting now. Life just started now. I don't know, it just feels like, it's like blank space.
Nash determined to stay in the home his parents loved so dearly and stay strong for his sisters.
Feels horrible, but at the same time, I gotta be there for my sisters. So I feel like, I don't know, that's the only thing that motivates me, just taking it day by day, just for them,
The family understandably needs so much right now. There is a fund set up to help the children. We've posted everything you need to know on our website, clickondetroit.com. Back to you.
Sandra, boy, it's so hard.
Yeah.